Stop by and take a look at the 2017 IS 200T. The Lexus IS 200T is a luxurious compact sedan that is extremely nimble, has a dynamic look, and provides all the bells and whistles you would need. Sit behind the wheel and you'll see why this is a vehicle everyone is clamoring about and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, airbags, front knee. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.